So today I'm going to show you how to use the Cash App Boost feature when it comes to utilizing the app. Now we're going to go ahead and log on to the app right over here so we can quickly get started. So we're currently on the main page of Cash App, and what we want to do is go ahead and add one of those boost features, which is essentially a really sweet discount. So while we're on the main page, towards the bottom of the screen, you're going to see a couple different icons, and there's one to the second side to the left where it looks like a card. It's pretty much a little square or rectangle with a little dot inside of it. So if we click on that, it's going to show you your Cash App card. Now, if you don't already have a Cash App card, it will show you the option to order a free Cash App card, which I would recommend if you wanted to have this, because these boost features are really, really cool. So what we're gonna go ahead and do right now, it says no boost selected. So we're gonna go ahead and click on change right over here, and it brings up this carousel of different options when it comes to which one you wanna utilize currently at the time. Now keep in mind, this boost feature does have to be activated in order to get the discount. You don't just automatically get it because it's available in the carousel. So we have things like DoorDash, PlayStation Network, Xbox, Nike, Amazon, Walgreens, and a whole bunch of other places as well. Taco Bell, I like the sound of that. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and click on Taco Bell. It gives me all the different things I need to know when it comes to getting this discount, such as when it expires, the minimum purchase, the maximum discount, and then how often you can actually utilize this discount. So we're going to click on Activate Boost, and now it shows that the actual activation has gone onto the card, and we can go ahead and click Done. And once you go ahead and utilize that money on the card at whatever retail store you're utilizing, it will give you that boost discount instantaneously. So if you're getting 10% off of a $10 purchase, that $1 will go right back into your account right away. You don't have to wait 30 days or anything else. It is a beautiful, beautiful thing. Now, if you want to keep on learning more when it comes to utilizing Cash App, check out my next video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.